Sanibona bafethu uvani lo. Yazi iDurban City uyitshela ukuthi ke isenza kahle. Njalo uma benza kahle bavele baphume nje endleleni, yabo. Utshela ukuthi nje basemgqini ukahle bavele baphume endleleni. If ukhumbula kahle iDurban City at the start of the season ba-appointa bani na? Ba-appointa Kevin Hunt as their new coach yabo kule season entsha. Baxosha lo coach lo ubekade ebasusile ku-NFD bafika ku-Betway Premiership. Bathi ke bemqasha ku-Kevin Hunt nakhona uKevin Hunt akahlalanga ama-games amaningi. Yes uKevin Hunt ubenza kahle, i-team bese ibekile na ku-top 5 yaba abajida bebedlala kahle befuna ukukhuphuka be-challenge for u-top 3. Mara ke iDurban City ya decide ukuthi cha asimdedele ubani na uKevin Hunt. uKevin Hunt akasinikezi lento esiyifunayo. Siyamdedela after iDurban City idlale kambi against Orlando Pirates aphinde futhi yadlala kambi against iKaizer Chiefs and iMamelodi Sundowns, but decide ukumdedela because ngokubona kwabo iDurban City should be challenging for those big guys ukubani na Orlando Pirates, Kaizer Chiefs and Mamelodi Sundowns. Kumdedeleni kwabo ba-appointa i-interim coach ukubani na uPitso Dladla. uPitso Dladla bekade khona vele ukuthi iDurban City esiza laphana as an assistant coach ekhona vele, so bam-appoint umjide ke wahlala waqhubeka wayicoacha i-team. Right now i-team yenza kahle. Right now bakwi-final ye-Nedbank Cup bawudlala nje against i-TS Galaxy, which is a big achievement for the team, judging by ukuthi basuka le ku-NFD bafikile vele kwi-Betway Premiership. So that is a very very big achievement for the team, yabo. Right now bafuna ukwenza njani na? Bafuna u-appointa ucoach omusha. Why befuna u-appointa ucoach omusha is because ucoach abakhojelayo njengamanje okuyi-interim coach akanazo iy'ncwadi ey'fanelekileyo ukuthi ke angakhoja lapha kwi-CAF. Remember, akanazo iy'ncwadi zokukhoja kwi-CAF. Zokukhoja nje ama-games adlala kwi-CAF. Mara why bedinga iy'ncwadi? Because iDurban City ayikho laphana ku-number 3, because remember unumber 3 uyodlala kwi-CAF Confed mase kuthi unumber 2 udlala kwi-CAF Champions League no-number 1 udlala kwi-CAF Champions League. Bakwi-final eNedbank. Once wawina i-Nedbank Cup uzokwazi ukuthi ke uthole i-qualification ukuthi ke uyodlala ama-prelim games eCAF Confed, ukwazi ukuthi ke urepresent iSouth Africa as a fourth nation la eSouth Africa eyodlala kuma-games eCAF. A fourth team per se, not a nation, a fourth team edlala la. My question is that why are they searching for a new coach right now i-final ingakadlalwa? For me, this doesn't make any sense. Yabo, it doesn't make any sense. And nje kusathanda kuphuma indaba ukuthi Eric Tinkler usathanda kushiya with inina iSkhukhune United. I feel like we already know ukuthi ke ubani ozoba ucoach wanina weDurban City. Yabo, it's written in the stars right now ukuthi ke the new Durban City coach will be Eric Tinkler, because Eric Tinkler unazo zonke iy'ncwadi zokuthi ke amanage a club like iDurban City. Yabo, I feel like into le evele yadiscusswa kwathiwa azindoda coach iDurban City, yabo, because ukuhamba kwa-Eric Tinkler kuSkhukhune United kushokha abantu abaningi. iSkhukhune United, they are very very good, they are doing good right now. They recently won a game, so abantu abaningi impela bathukile ngokuhamba kwa-Eric Tinkler. Yabo, nami ke le ndaba lezangixaka ukuthi iDurban City, why are they searching for a new coach ingakadlali ifinal? Abazi nokuthi bazoqualifya noake baqualify for iCAF Confed, yabo. But ke wena ngokwangitshela indaba, how do you feel regarding le ndaba lezi eyifuna ukwenziwa iDurban City? iDurban City sometimes inokungistressa because i-team yangala ngasekhaya, yabo, badlala la eChaswet abajida, yabo. Some games ngiye ngiwabuka ama-games abo, but some of the decisions abawenzayo angistressa ama-decisions abawenzayo lapha kwi-management yakhona, because how can you do this? Lo coach okhona utsafile kanje.